We've just ringed these 6 little turquoisine babies, all of which have come out of the one nest. Yet, as you can see, 3 of them are standard green and 3 of them are yellow, which is quite interesting, seeing as we've never had any yellow turquoisines. All of our turquoisines have been green up until now, and these ones have just naturally popped out yellow. Looks like we've got 1 yellow male, judging by the red on the wing there, and 2 yellow females, and another 2 green females and 1 green male. So that's quite interesting. I didn't think we'd ever get yellow ones, but they've naturally occurred. We've just ringed them all. This one's the youngest looking. There's a little sweetie. And this one here looks like he's almost ready to fly off. And we'll put them back in their nest box now that we've ringed their legs. And wait for them to naturally leave the nest.